about 2 medium-sized chicken onions. Fry them in oil. While you're frying, put 1 spoon of cumin seed. Enough oil to fry them. I'm going to put heaped half a spoon of turmeric. This is coriander powder. You can put 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And this is special. If you can get it, it's alright. If you can't get it, then it's alright as well. Just a little bit of curry powder. And for about 1 kilo of meat, I'm putting about 1 spoonful of salt. Nearly done. Now I can put my meat, which I've already washed and cleaned. Spoonful of ginger paste. Garlic paste. Just fry it for a few minutes. All the spices, which we just fry for a minute. I've chopped 2 tomatoes, big tomatoes. You can do 3 if you don't have big ones. These are quite big and ripe. I'll add quite a big spoonful of yogurt in it. A little bit more. Mix it well. Now I'm going to let it cook in the cooker. After the whistle for 10 minutes in the tomato and the yogurt. I haven't added any water into it. It's still watery, so I have to make the water disappear. Okay, dry the water up, and then fry the meat, and then put the thing. So just another 10 minutes
under the high heat.
Yeah, under the high heat. Yeah. The meat is all tender. It's really soft and tender, and it's cooked in yogurt and tomatoes. So no water from outside, so it will be really delicious.
Now we reduce the heat.
The oil is coming up. I've got some spinach here. This one is the frozen one. You can put fresh as well if you want to.
Frozen spinach, you can use the fresh as well. Chop the spinach. How much is spinach?
I just put a bowl full of it in this.
I think it's around 2 cups.
Yeah. I just put spinach for the essence sort of thing. I don't like too much spinach in the... Like when you go out, you probably might...
They put a lot of spinach.
Yeah. But me, I don't like that much like that. I just put it for the essence. The main thing is the meat. I'm going to put it on dum for a little while.
Half a cup of water. Let it simmer for a while.
Yeah.
About how many minutes you say?
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes on medium heat to simmer.
Not medium, just very low heat.
Very low heat.
Yeah, lowest heat.